All right, so continuing with personal development, now we're going to talk about character, value, standards, and ethics. So, character and values, the main idea of this chapter or this section is that values are the foundation upon which character is built, and that values serve as a guide to setting your personal standards and making ethical decisions. So, what is character? Character is the development and application of a commonly held principle that promotes personal growth, establishes good citizenship, and supports society. So, character is the development of all of these things. It's part of moral development. It's knowing right from wrong. It drives your decisions. It promotes well being in all the areas. People of good character experience personal growth, good citizenship, and support society. And character is built upon one's values, which are the beliefs, feelings, and experiences you consider to be important. So, what's the connection between character and well being? Well being is the experience of health, happiness, and prosperity. Character affects your choices of friends, activities, interests, and behaviors. And when you abide by rules and expectations, it contributes to the well being of society. Developing character is a continuous process, it never ends. Your parents, families, friends, community mentors all reinforce and model, hopefully, desirable traits. You should also learn from your consequences or learn from mistakes. Things like not making the same mistake twice, the philosophy that you need to struggle a little bit in order to succeed, and learning from when you don't succeed. Recognizing values. Values are guidelines to help live according to your values, include considering the consequences, listening to your conscience, guidance from your family and others, learning and evaluating the source. So consequence, something that follows as a result of an action or a choice. Conscience is that inner voice in your head that tells you what's right and what's wrong. So values, character, and personality are all closely related. Your values influence and guide all aspects of your life. You express your values by showing responsibility, trustworthiness, respect, self-discipline, and good citizenship. You learn values from your family and others directly through what they teach you. And universal values are those that are generally accepted and shared worldwide. Things like our laws are sometimes universal values. So where do we get values from? They're learned directly and indirectly. Directly meaning somebody has taught us you shouldn't lie. Indirectly is you've observed something and you've realized that this is okay to do. Family is a big influence on the values we have. Our religion and culture, societal norms, media, which we'll talk about more. Developing is a process. Choices and your experiences all should equal learning. So when we look at this diagram, our values, our personality, and self-esteem all make up our character.